Hi, I'm Anjali D'Souza, a senior visual designer with over 8 years of experience in Adobe Photoshop. And together, you and I are going to learn the basics of Photoshop by Artisto Picasso. Let's have a look at the things we will learn in this course. In the very first module, we will start off with a Photoshop introduction and its workflow. We will teach you how to get started with Photoshop, opening up a document and setting up a workspace. And with this module, let's kickstart learning awesome things in Photoshop. In the second module, we will be learning about the tools by creating projects. There will be an introduction to every Photoshop tool like the marquee tool, brush tool, clone tool, move tool, etc. and every working concept behind these tools. In the third module, you will learn about Photoshop's layer styles, gradients and colors and a lot more concepts that will help you create highly appealing designs. With a live project for each concept, you will love this module. And the fourth module is all about image editing and adjustments, which includes presets, camera raw tools and advanced image editing for every project you are working on. Coming to the fifth module, which covers another important subject, which is Photoshop masking. In this module, you will start off with the masking basics and you will learn various other masks which include layer masks, vector masks, clipping masks, quick mask and the adjustment layer masks. The sixth module is about photo manipulation, where we teach you to create a certain aesthetic that you can effectively apply into your designs. Create industry standard designs through practical photo manipulation techniques that you will learn in this course. The seventh and final module is all about Photoshop projects that are on image editing, sports wallpapers, product ads, and a creative design campaign. Gear up and explore the creative world of Adobe Photoshop with us. This is your chance to learn Adobe Photoshop from the right place. Click on the link below to join now.